Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Corner, where art is life. My name is Terrian and I am so happy that you're able to join me today. Today we will be unboxing two Beautylish Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I did get two this time. I will not give up until I get the palettes that I want, which is the Pink Religion one. Today we will be unboxing those, and so let's go ahead and get into that, okay? Because we do have two, so I don't really want to take a lot of time with that. So we'll go ahead and do that. So there's one, and I do have the other one here, which is slightly larger than the other one. Okay. Box cutter. All right, so open it. All right, you see it before me. Oh, well. Let's get that wrapping off here. The packaging is always so nice. Wrapping. Okay, I do see a thirsty palette. This big old box here. Ooh, what's it? Let's see what's in here. Okay. Okay, let's see. What's in here? Jeffree Star Skin. I think I bought this separately. I don't. Is this a moisturizer? I think I bought his moisturizer separately because I wanted to try it because I was not able to get it during the launch, so I had to wait until it was back in stock. So here is the container. This is the packaging. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna pull this out of the box here for you. Oh, it's kind of nicely cushioned and sponge. Man, this thing is pretty. This is looks like, and this. Lightly scented, but it's very pretty. I love the packaging. Love it. Love the packaging. Okay, next we have the this is the Velour liquid, sorry, the Velour lip scrub. This one is in orange gummy bear. I have not seen this one. Is this new? Is this new? Y'all comment below and let me know. Oh my god, this smells good. It smells like, literally smells like orange gummy bears. Seriously. Oh, I don't remember seeing this on this thing. It's okay, so I have 4 lippies here. First one is Libra Lynn. This is the Velour liquid lip. Here's the color. Again, this is the is it that way? I'm sorry. Upside down. There you go. Libra Lynn. And then we have Paid in Full. I'm not sure if I have this one or not in my stack. I think I do have this one, Paid in Full. I honestly think I do. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check though. I can never close that back the way I got it. This one is peach price tag, and this one is also the gloss. This one was the gloss as well. Okay, that's as well. Barely get it out, but this is what it looks like. There we go. Peach price tag. Peach price tag. Go. Okay. And next, this is the Velour liquid lip. And this one is in mistletoe. There you go. Okay. Next, I think I got it. Mine is the thirsty. I do already have a thirsty, as you guys know, if you watch my other videos. But I got the pink religion. I do have it. Girl! I'm so excited. Finally got it. Come on here. Here. I finally got it. Guys, this is a thirsty. As you know, this probably is my 4th or 5th thirsty palette. Not complaining, not complaining. I did pay for it. So, not complaining. And I'll just open it up like so. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. But this is, I think, number 4, number 5. I'm not really sure. And I got it. I got it. I finally got it. Guys, that's why I bought 2, because I was hoping that I would get it. And so I finally got it. And I am so excited. There you go. It's embossed. Let's see. This is indents. See, so pretty. Okay, and voila! Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Look at all that! I can't wait! I can't wait to do a look with this. I cannot wait. I am so excited for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Totally here for it. So look out for my video with me using this palette. I am so excited. And last but certainly not least, in this box, we do have another mirror. I am not sure. The sticker is black, so I think this is a black one. Normally when the stickers normally indicate to you what color is in there. Yes, it is the black star mirror. Yes. All right, guys, that is it for this box. Now let's get into the other one. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me switch out here. This is a bigger box than that one, so, but we'll go through this one. There we go. There it is. Did I get 2 with them bitches? Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, so first thing, I'm so excited. I feel like it's like Christmas for me. I love mystery boxes. I don't know what it is. I love it. This is from Beautylish. Normally they give you a little thing in your boxes whenever. I didn't get one in the other one, so that's okay. This is Midnight Renewal. I'm not going to try to pronounce that name at all. This is what it is. Because I will butcher it. I will completely butcher it. Okay. Yes, it is that mirror. I think it is that one. This one says White Star Ranch. I think I remember getting this mirror, my other mystery box, and it was white and pink. Yes, it is that one. There it is. Do you have this one? There we go. Guys, there's the Luther bundle. Get in here. Oh goodness. All right, so first thing I have is the F-Proof mascara, and this is in the color Coral. I always love this packaging, always. It does it for me. This is it, just the one. We do have a velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Checkmate. I do have this color. This is a beautiful shade of red. I love this shade. It is one of my favorite ones. When I put it, I'm like, girl, yes. It's kind of like that orangey red. Yes, this one. Okay, and then we have the gloss, and this one is in a Midnight Lick. Not sure which one this is. Never. Ooh. And Beautylish tends to have these mystery boxes whenever he has a launch sometimes. Okay, what is it with me in these packages today? I cannot get them out, but it's this black gloss here. Normally I don't have any problem, but it's giving me a lot of problems now. It's just a nice black gloss. Next I have the gloss again, and I did get this one in my other one, the peach price tag, so I won't open this one. And then I do have here, this one is Bronze Blood, and this is the velour liquid lip. I don't have this one for sure. Ooh, pretty. Let's see. Oh, wow. There it is. You can see. Oh, I like. Definitely like. But guys, guess what? Got the same palettes twice. Thirsty and the Pink Religion. So I will not be opening these ones. I probably put these in the mystery boxes for you guys. But yes, our giveaway boxes, sorry, for you guys. So yes, I did get these just now. So I am so excited. And I want to thank you guys for sticking with me today. And I hope you have as much fun as I did. It felt like Christmas. It really did feel like Christmas. So guys, thank you so much. And I hope to see you guys again soon. And look out for my giveaway with some of these products from Jeffree. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.